begin our day by stretching, then taking a walk around our friend's property where there are bulls, dogs, goats, and horses, and I'm probably forgetting a few other things. This is calabash, which gets halved, then gutted and dried for bowls. Starfruit carambola is in season again, and sometimes it makes it into our smoothies, but I almost always include fresh aloe that we grow in our garden. The remaining gel makes an excellent serum, and the rest gets composted so nothing gets wasted. I try and have 35 to 40 ounces of dense green juice or our green smoothies every day as the first to break my fast. We're driving to the beach this morning. I get migraines if I'm out during the hottest parts of the day, so we try to go early or late. After another 60-hour work week for us both, there's no place I'd rather be. Begin with 1 cup of milk of choice and the zest of 1 whole unwaxed or organic lemon. Squeeze in the juice too. Using all room temperature ingredients ensures the best texture. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar to 1 cup of unbleached flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the dry before blending in the wet. A few lumps are not just fine, but ideal. Allow the batter to rest for 15 minutes at room temperature before cooking with whatever add-ins you're feeling. I've been craving blueberries for almost 2 months now, but all the markets here were out. But such is island life. This video was in my recommended YouTube queue, and I'm glad I watched it because it's now part of our regular rotation. I really appreciate you being here today. You can find me daily on Instagram at @squishymonster, and I hope you have a great day.